How to download and install Discord app. So if you want to download and install Discord app on your mobile phone, then first of all you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then you have to open up your Play Store application. And after opening your Play Store, here you will have a search bar on the upper side. Simply tap on the search bar and then search for Discord. And after searching, here you will have the application. So if you want to download and install, then simply tap on install. And it may take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection. And after installing, you can tap on open, which is on the right side. And that's it. That's how you download and install. And after downloading, you can sign up or create an account, or you can also log into your existing account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.